SOA Exam ALTAM Problem Guide, Pensions, Replacement Ratios, and Unit Credit. The SA is asking you to value a career promise. The clocks are salary and service, not only AGEX. Defined contribution, final average, and career average plans are different machines. Here is the intuition. A pension is a career promise sliced by service, not a single life insurance. Traditional unit credit values this year's slice on today's salary. Projected unit credit values the same slice on the salary you are headed toward at retirement. Accrued liability is the past service pile. Normal cost is this year's slice, including mid-year exits if the model has them. Name the plan before you project anything. They expect the plan type named, then either a replacement ratio or an accrued liability and a normal cost. Traditional unit credit uses current salary. Projected unit credit projects salary to retirement. Mixing those two is the fastest way to lose the question. Identify this family when you see replacement ratio, final average salary, career average, accrued liability, normal cost, PUC, TUC, or a service table. Partner and early retirement overlays still sit in this family. Plan of attack. Name the plan. Write the benefit formula. Project salary and service if the method needs it. Replacement ratio is benefit divided by salary. AL is the past service slice. NC is this year's slice, including mid-year exits if they are in the model. Algebra trap. Putting projected salary into a TUC valuation. Another trap. Forgetting death in service or partner benefits inside AL. And early retirement is not the same as a normal retirement age with a smaller annuity factor pasted on. On exam day, name the plan and write the benefit formula first. State TUC or PUC before you touch a salary scale. Accrued liability is the past service slice. Normal cost is this year's slice, plus mid-year exits if they are in the model. End with one sentence. This number is a replacement ratio, an AL or an NC under which method. Climb replacement ratio questions first, then DC contribution rates, then accrued exits, then service tables, then TUC versus PUC, then partner and early retirement overlays.